We're working with number 52 on the comprehensive version, and we need to find the absolute value. Just a bit of a reminder. Remember, we write complex numbers in the form z equals a plus bi, right? That's a complex number. A is the real part. The b is the scalar that goes with the imaginary part. And so when we want to, and remember, it's just distance from the origin. And we, in class, we did a lot of work where we, set up the right triangles and actually graphed the little, graphed our points, set up the right triangle. And then we talked about how really you're just kind of doing the distance formula or a variation on the Pythagorean theorem. So the absolute value of a complex number, is the square root of the real component squared plus the imaginary component squared. Okay? I chose to do this one because I figured most of you are going to have issues with your calculators. So the absolute value here is going to be the square root of 5 radical 2 over 2 squared plus 5 radical 2 over 2 squared. If you are very, 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 very careful, you can plug it into your calculator and it'll give you a nice number. What your calculator is doing is basically squaring. Remember, squaring a fraction is squaring the numerator, squaring the denominator. So this is going to be over 4, and then you've got 5 times radical 2, and you square it, you're doing 5 times 5, and radical 2 times radical 2. So you've actually got 25, sorry, brain fart, 25 times 2, sorry about that, guys, and you got 50. So 50 over 4, and you're actually adding 50 over 4 for both of them, and there's a couple ways you can do this, and again, as long as you're super careful, you can just go straight to your calculator. This is actually 100 over 4, because we can do 50 plus 50. We can take the square root of that, but really that's the square root of 25, which is 5, which is what you should get.